Listeners and viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Today I discuss with you the past paper of 2015 and English part only. Identify the word or the phrase that needs to be changed for the sentence to be correct. In this number one is there are five errors. We have to find one of them which can be the right or which can be incorrect. That there we have to make correction. If the children do their homework quickly, they will have time to watch television. And fifth one is no error. You see, this is conditional tense. Future. It's if the children do their homework, it is quickly. It is also correct. There is no mistake in this. They will have is also right to time to watch television. So here would be no error. Because children is correct if in conditional comes in the beginning, and homework is also correct. And one thing I am telling you, where there comes if, and there comes obviously two sentences, but the comma is mandatory and must in that. So this should be noted, that you have to write comma over like this. So E is here no error in number one. In number two, the bus stopped to take up 3 or 4 people who were waiting by the post office, and no error. So the bus is also right, but here in B, you see there is a verb take up. So we should write a TO, not a TOO. It indicates the negative meaning, but here we have to write infinitive to take up. So TO would be the right, not TOO. Choose the word most similar means other words. So relieved means आज़ाद और free. So relaxed होगा इसका synonym. Like brutal का मतलब होता है मौत मार. So cruel, जालिम जिसको हम कहें, तो इसका synonym cruel होगा. And in antonym, choose the lettered word of the phrase that is most nearly opposite in the meaning to the word in the capital letters. Opposite means antonyms. Here convict का acquit होगा opposite, और इसका जो है एक्विट अपोजिट की बात कर रहे हैं वो. एम्यूज्ड का अपोजिट जो है वो आपका है एनॉइड, क्योंकि चिढ़ दिलाना या किसी को तंग करना. एम्यूज का मतलब तो होता है दिल बहलाना. Here there is a passage from that they have taken question 7 and 8. The passage is like in earlier times when every substance was believed to have its own qualities, there was no difficulty in believing that some substance were endowed with life, others not. Wood was wood and water was water, and though transformations did occur, as in the disappearance of the wood in the fire, they were not surprising in the world where the most miraculous changes were taking place under everyone's every day. There was nothing but doth suffer a sea change into a something rich and strange. A seed put into the ground became in a short time a plant with leaves and flowers. The white and the yolk of an egg turned into the flesh and the bones and feathers of a chicken, which no sooner was the shell cracked, jumped out and started running about. So dear, this is a very interesting thing. You must learn from this. There is a difference between the modernity and the ancient and the past time that we have already gone through or passed through it. Some substances are alive and some are not. Which of the following statement best describe this belief? It says that the transformation is a natural substance was unnoticed in ancient times, are alive and some are not. So as per this book, this is the right answer. A is the correct option in this. And there was nothing but doth suffer a sea change into something rich and strange means here both A and B are correct as per this book. The transformation of seed into a tree, and every life change, natural things change drastically. So here in complete the sentence by choosing the most appropriate of the given letter choices A to D oblique E. The milkman dash many bottles of milk to our school every day. You see here, this is a present tense. When we talk about routine works, when we do any activity on daily basis, that comes into present indefinite or present habitual tense. So there we use the first form, and the milkman is a singular, it is a third person singular. So we write here delivers Delivers means to